Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually doing an unboxing of the new Boxycharm BoxyLuxe March edition. I have actually not looked at any sneak peeks of this, so I have no idea what I'm getting in here. It's actually a pretty heavy package and it's smaller than my last BoxyLuxe. So if you guys want to see what I got in this, then definitely keep on watching. Alright, so this box does retail for a total of $50. It should have like 9 or 10 items in here. I honestly don't know. This is my second time getting BoxyLuxe. The first time I got BoxyLuxe, that was a nightmare, and I'll actually link that video right up here for you guys. That was a nightmare because it took almost until Christmas time to get it, and everybody was having issues with that box, and I think it's just because it was Christmas time, trying to get everything out, and it was a pain, but this got here super early. It is, like I said, on the heavier side, and it's on the smaller size too. Like my other BoxyLuxe was actually pretty big. This is kind of small, so hopefully I got some good items in here. And like I said, I did not sneak peek it. Normally I like to sneak peek, or I go to like my subscription addiction.com or something like that, or like they do all the spoilers for BoxyLuxe. I completely forgot to do that this month. I wasn't even paying attention to it. So when I got this in the mail, I was like, oh yeah, I forgot I even had Boxycharm. My mind has been just elsewhere because March is such a crazy month for me. So oh, I see a little makeup bag there. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. So this is how the box looks itself. La Via in Rose for the BoxyLuxe. And I'm not going to like look at the back because I don't want to see what I got. But let's go ahead and dive right on into this together. I'm excited. So the first things first, I see this really flat bag. I'm assuming it's a makeup bag, but oh, it is a little makeup bag. It's a little makeup bag. That's kind of cool. Let's see. Oh, look. And it has the little Boxycharm logo on that nice little travel size makeup bag. I have a lot of makeup bags, so honestly, I will probably end up giving this to my mom because she probably can get some good use out of this. She really likes makeup bags, so yeah, not bad. What does that retail for, if I could find it without ruining anything? This is a This is a Tran case. Just another perk of being a charmer. This exclusive Boxycharm cosmetic case is not only extremely chic, but very spacious and perfect for the charmer who has taken their glam on the go. And this retails for $20. I guarantee this costs them less than $20 to make, but let's just, let's be real here. All right, so the next thing I got, I'm so excited. I got a pair of Lily lashes. This is a limited edition Fox Minx lashes. I've always wanted to try Lily lashes. I just never invested in a pair because I'm cheap. And I don't feel like purchasing lashes when I don't really wear them that often. I'm not the best at lashes, so why would I purchase something that's kind of expensive? Like I've always wanted to try the Lily lashes in the style Miami because every big influencer talks about it. But I'm really excited that I got this because I've always wanted to try it out. And if they are really good, then maybe I will end up purchasing a pair of them. But I don't feel like doing that until I know how well they are. $25. $25 for this, and you can wear that up to 20 times according to the little sheet right here. But this is why I don't want to purchase it, because $25 for a pair of lashes, I can't even imagine. That's so expensive. That's so expensive. The next thing I got is Iconic London Eyebrow Cushion. This is a $40 value. Ooh, nice little container right here. My hair is like a mess. I apologize. I apologize for that messy hair. Sorry. Oh man, I'm already getting fingerprints on this. So that's how it looks. And has like a little thing right here. I guess these are like the little eyebrow brushes that you just kind of snap that into place, and then, oh, okay, it's like light and dark in there. All right, sweet. I'm excited to try it out for sure, but $40? Ooh, that's a hefty price. Hefty price. Is a Wonder Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Sweet. Wow, the font on this is actually really tiny. This Rose Gold Pearl Peel-Off Mask contains a skin-loving blend of fruit extracts to heal, purify, and replenish dull skin. It helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles and hyperpigmentation for more vibrant-looking skin. and it effectively absorbs excessive oil, relieving congested skin and visibly reduces pores. Lift off dries quickly and peels away easily, leaving your skin smoother, clearer, and brighter. Suitable for all skin types. And this cost a total of $34. That's really cool. I wonder how it smells. It smells like an orangey, zesty chemical smell. The next product I see is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in Cream Transforming Moisturizer Super Cream. I'm definitely excited to try this out. It says apply to the clean skin in the morning and evening using upward sweeping motions applied to face, neck, and anywhere your skin needs moisture. So I wonder if this is great for really oily skin. This cost a total of, where are you at? Where are you at? $48. Has collagen in it, which I could definitely use some collagen because I'm getting some crow's feet right here. No, it's finally happening. My age is finally catching up to me. I'm getting some crow's feet. Look at that, crow's feet. Yay, so excited. So excited. But I'm excited to try this. It says it's for all skin types. I wonder if it has any particular smell to it. Ooh, almost dropped that. It's a very, very soft smell. It smells like a spa. The next product is, oh my God, I almost dropped this whole box. The next product is O'Donna and Modern Love, $20. Well, I ain't gonna get any use out of this. This is gonna go in my giveaway box. I can't really wear nail polish to work. So yeah, giveaway box, that goes. The next thing we got in this box is a Mata powder and soft glow brushes. There is a powder brush and a soft glow brush. And this set is a dynamic duo with two beautiful brushes designed to give you a graceful and glamorous look. With elegant rose gold taper handles and synthetic two-toned white to ombre colored fibers. This Boxycharm exclusive set is a must-have for any beauty collection. Let's see, how much does this cost? $30. Damn, you can go to Morphe and get cheaper brushes than that. The next thing I got is a Becca lipstick. What color did I get? I got it in the color Sorbet. I don't know about you guys. I don't know if anyone out here who's watching this video actually gets Boxycharm, but I get really horrible lip colors in Boxycharm. I get like doo-doo browns, really deep color purples or reds I would never wear. That's not good for my skin tone at all. So I really hope this is a really decent color because I really get ugly colors. Oh, that's actually really pretty. That is right up my alley. Thank you, because I get really bad colors. So finally, I get a good color lip. That is really hard to do. Like me and my friends go back and forth going, what color did you get? What color did you get? And we try to exchange because all of us end up getting like really crappy colors. Next thing I see in this box is a Color FX Perfector Face Palette. Let's see. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is gorgeous. This is the light medium palette. All right, so I think I did read somewhere that you will get some face palettes that are going to be either light medium or medium dark. I did get the light medium, so I'm really grateful for that. I mean, if I would have gotten the dark medium, I would have just given that away to somebody who would get better use out of it than I would. But that is gorgeous. I'm really loving that. There's something that I'm starting to notice a trend with Boxycharm. So I don't know if anyone out here watching has ever heard of Poshmark, but people would actually take their Boxycharm items and resell them on Poshmark for the retail value of it. And I'm starting to notice that Boxycharm is starting to just put the palette in here with no boxes, no protecting everything. I think it's their way of making sure that you guys can't resell these products because this didn't even come in a box at all. It literally just came like this. There's no insert or anything in here at all. I don't know if they're supposed to be, but I think that's their way of trying to stop the reselling of the other products because I know people do, but hey, some people might still try to sell this, but I'm really happy I got this, and this does retail for $45. Oof, such a gorgeous palette. So, the last thing that I got in this is a Morphe palette, a Morphe eyeshadow palette, and this is the 15N Night Master palette. I wonder what colors these are. See, now this one actually came in the box, still wrapped up, so that's kind of nice. Oh my God, this one actually has a mirror, and I just dropped it. This one has a mirror. What? Look at that palette. Not bad. Definitely some really pretty colors in here for sure. And it has a mirror. Wow. This is a really nice mirror. I'm kind of curious to see what the other people got. Like, what are the other palettes that you can get in this collection? Let's find out. I actually think that the Night Master one actually looks the best. Personally, I don't know how well you guys can see that right there. I think I'm on the bottom, that one right there. Not bad, guys, not bad at all. I think this is the first box that I've pretty much liked every single thing that I got in here except for this, because I would never get a use out of this, honestly. This is exciting. Oh my god, I'm actually really happy about everything I got. Let's see how much. So I paid $50 for this box. Let's see how much in total it actually like retails for, if this is really correct on the pricing. $281.98, and I only paid, like I said, $50 for it. I'm very, very happy with this month's box. Like 100% very happy. I'm definitely looking forward to using the Cover FX Perfecting, look at that, hair got my mouth. Ah. I'm definitely looking forward to using the Cover FX Face Perfecting Face Palette. I think some of the colors we got in here are absolutely gorgeous. Like these highlighters, like for real though, the highlighters, oh my gosh, so pretty. So pretty. It has a contour and blush in here, and I like the designs, like the nice little wavy stuff to it. Really excited to use this. I'm definitely really excited to try out the iconic London. I've heard good things. My Lily lashes, oh, you best believe I'm excited to try this out. I'm probably gonna take really good care of these. And the Morphe palette, the Becca lipstick in the really pretty color, such a really pretty color, the brushes, I mean everything. I'm really excited about the box. So thank you, Boxycharm, for actually sending me a really decent box this month. I'm just excited to try everything out. This was definitely an improvement from my last BoxyLuxe box, for sure. Alright guys, and that is it for today's video. Please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post 2 videos twice a week. Make sure you guys stay tuned for next week, March 20th and March 22nd, because I will be announcing the winners for the donut palette giveaway as well as the Anastasia Beverly Hill giveaway. I will have those 2 videos linked down below or right here, wherever. They're on my channel page. If you guys are stumbling across this now, you still have time to enter. And yeah, I want to thank you guys again for all your love and support, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Bye! So if you guys want to see what I got into this, then... Ooh, I just cracked my neck. Confidence and so the next thing I see is a Cover FX everybody was having issues with that palette. Stay up. Whew. Videos are down. Oh my god, I'm still recording.